Hi, I'm Shalini. I work for Amazon and I'm building this business to achieve my dream of having financial freedom. So, in this video, I would like to talk about the need for supplements. So, often, I compare my lifestyle versus my parents' and my grandparents' lifestyle. My grandmother, who's around 80 plus, is so active without any health issues, and my mom, at 60 plus, still manages all the household chores by herself. Fortunately, they are in the pink of health at this age due to the fact that their bodies had strong foundation in terms of what they were putting into their system way back. I further continue to think, will I be able to do at least 50% of what these women are doing when I reach their age? Well, the answer to such questions is pretty straightforward. Back then, their lifestyle was very active, as most of them were into farming, and they had enough time and patience to cook food the right way. Nowadays, it's all pressure cookers, ovens, and stuff like that, and we just complete the work in no time. Due to the present scenario, everyone is in a rush basically. They need to get to work, they need to go to uh, whatever, wherever they need to go to make a living, and healthy food is being compromised, right? So, even if somebody manages to cook food in a healthier way, what's the guarantee that we are getting all the nutrients? Because the food cultivation itself is at a is bad, I can say. It contains pesticides, harmful chemicals, etc., which is completely causing damage to the body. All these diseases like BP, diabetes, sciatica, thyroid, these are all lifestyle diseases. The only reason people are suffering with such problems is because of the inactive lifestyle. Just go to work, skip breakfast, the biggest ever crime which one can do. Just sit on the chair and work for hours together without any movement, and then eat all the junk food, pizzas, burgers, and stuff like that. So, such people often end up spending money to the doctors to cure their problems without an idea of when will they be able to get free from such issues. They fail to realize that the best thing is to bring in changes to the lifestyle by becoming active, just exercising, spend some time, go for a walk, go for a jog, and eat healthy food. Obviously, this alone will not be sufficient, but it has to start somewhere, right? The food we consume, no matter how healthy we cook, no matter how organic food we eat, that is not sufficient actually, because there is a certain dietary requirement for every individual in terms of the intake of protein, calcium, vitamins, and good fat. I'll just give you an example with regards to protein, okay? So, for an athlete and a non athlete person, there is a certain limit or certain intake of protein which he or she has to consume, which is for every 1 kg of body weight, zero point 0.8 grams of protein is required, which means, let's say my weight is 50 kgs, so I need 40 grams of protein on a daily basis. And for a male who is like say 70 kgs, 56 grams is required. So this is for a non-athlete or someone who has a kind of sedentary or a minimum lifestyle, or a lifestyle with minimum activity. This is the intake, okay? And for someone who is into sports or any kind of fitness activity or some other physical activity, their intake of protein increases further. So this is just one example I've given related to protein. So likewise, we have certain requirements for everything. Likewise, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin D, and stuff like that. And moreover, protein is something which is not stored in the body. It is something which the body needs on a daily basis to repair the damaged cells, tissues, and generate new ones. Now, do we think we really have enough time to check or probably measure and keep ourselves aware of how many grams of protein we are consuming on a daily basis? Do we have the time? Or probably maybe one can start and do so for a couple of days, but how long can you do it? How long can you be consistent to do that? So even if it is possible, it'll obviously cost us a bomb, because having like a liter of a milk and half a dozen of eggs and stuff like that, obviously just do a basic math calculation and it will cost us, right? So that's where the need of food supplements arises, because they are easy, they are portable, convenient to use on the go. Just keep it in your bag and then have it even if you don't have time to have it at home, right? And they are manufactured from the right sources. Nutrilite is one such brand who ensures that every human being has access to all the food supplements required. I hope this helps.